You're about to experience a game changer when it comes to underground pipe repairs. Meet LightRay. LightRay is designed, built, and supported right here in the USA. This home has a big problem under its foundation. The sewer lateral is damaged and needs repair. LightRay can perform the repair quickly. This is the state-of-the-art ultraviolet LightRay LR3 packer. It can repair pipes 3, 4, or 6 inches in diameter, making it perfect for sewer lateral repairs. The repair packer is lowered into the damaged pipeline through an access point above ground. Typically, this can be a cleanout or even through a toilet drain. Every home has one of those. The ultraviolet packer is pulled perfectly into place. The bladder is inflated with air pressure to set the repair. This is where LightRay's magic happens. The UV lights are turned on, activating the resin's curing process. Almost like magic, the repair is fully cured in 10 minutes or less. The repair is considered complete and ready for service once the curing process has been completed. Now a once damaged hosepipe is rehabilitated, saving the homeowner thousands of dollars. The repair was done on the same day, without any disruption to the property. Now that is something to celebrate. The same repair can be made in vertical pipelines as well. No ground access? No problem. LightRay's packer is lowered into position in the vertical stack access point in the roof. Once again, the bladder is inflated with air pressure to set the repair. Experience the power of pipeline rehabilitation with LightRay and change the way America's underground infrastructure is restored forever. Contact Permaliner today to get into ultraviolet lining using the best-of-breed ultraviolet repair system, LightRay.